Hi, this is Mr. B, and this is a tutorial video on tonal patterns that will help you harmonize and special ways to use them and think about them and listen to them and sing them. So here are the patterns. Bum, bum, bum. 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 Now, there are three different levels that I want you to sort of engage with these patterns on in the key of D that I played on the piano. The first level is simply to echo them in the space that I provided. So when I went bum, 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 you know, from your home, you'll have time to echo bum, bum, bum. See if you can sing them accurately. That's level one. That doesn't ensure that you can harmonize quite yet. Level two, way more difficult. I'll sing the pattern, and then you sing only the first note. Ooh, very difficult. So, bum, bum, bum. You think it in your head. You're like, bum, because that's the first note, okay? And the ability to separate only the first note is a very, very difficult thing to do. You will struggle mightily. Now, when you do that at home, when you practice that at home, you will press pause on the video so that you can have time to hear the note in your head and then sing the first pitch. And, you know, maybe have someone else who lives in your house say, yep, that's right, or nope, that's not right. For example, the second pattern, bum, 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 has a different first note than the first pattern. That first note would be bum, okay, and so forth and so on. So challenge yourself like that. And the third level, which is extremely difficult, is randomly have a family member say first note, second note, or third note for any of the patterns. And if you can isolate either the first pitch, the second pitch, or the third pitch of any of those patterns really, really well, consistently, you will have the ability to harmonize, I promise you. And that's what I'm going to be looking for, and that's what I'm going to be testing you on. So, for example, here's one of the patterns. Bum, bum, bum. I happen to know that the second note is bum, right? And the third note is bum, and the first note is bum. And I can isolate any one of those notes and hear them distinctly, okay? Good luck with that. Bye.